Hi everyone, welcome to this review of the blue Lego cargo train. It's come with the I don't know if you see it, the crane, and over next to the control tower, it's a you up closer. This one over here, if you guys can see it, it's this, and then the forklift is this, and so most of the extra stuff, of course, didn't come with it. Still recording. And then this controller came with it. This is the old power functions. The green cargo train I already reviewed. I am reviewing more of these Lego trains, the old-fashioned, like these. The crane comes with it. Let me pull it out. On. Stop. So, so all these accessories you see on it actually came with it. The crane was the last build. Yeah, so let's run around the track and see how it does. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, my YouTube channel. Sorry I haven't been making videos a lot, and I've been busy with other stuff, like with other stuff in the community. So I've been meaning to make videos, more Lego videos coming soon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the Lego channel, my YouTube channel. I need 1,000 subscribers, so if you like this, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.